Want to learn how to make this viral text burnout effect for your edits? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to make cool text effect. Like this tutorial and subscribe my channel for more awesome tutorials. So without wasting any time, let's go to the After Effects. Alright guys, so first of all, ready with your composition. You can also copy my comp settings if you like. Now click on this T icon and add your text. Adjust it according to you. Now add some text animations to your text. For text animations, you can watch this tutorial where I've explained everything. After completing the animation step, press Ctrl+Y and create a solid. Click on this icon. Choose Alpha Matte of Solid. Now select the solid layer and add turbulent displace and copy my values. After that, click on a masking tool and hold it to view other options and choose Ellipse tool. Press Shift and make mask like this. Press F and change the feathers to 4. Now make mask expansion keyframe where you want to start and end the effect. Now just change its values like me. Easy ease them and open the graph editor and change it according to you. Pre-compose your both layers. Add deep glow and copy my settings. Search for Bevel Alpha and copy me. Move it on the top. Add BCC Drop Shadow and copy the same settings. You can also duplicate it if you like. Now search for S_texture cells, add it, and move it on the top of the deep glow. As you can see, we have smooth text animation with burnout effect. Make sure to check out my shop where you'll get my presets and quality settings. Also support me on my second channel. Thanks for watching.